And so here we go. We're gonna turn the water off of these two isolation valves. Make sure the taps are on. That we see no water there. Then we're gonna put on a pair of gloves because I'm going to use a Stanley knife to cut this seal. And as you can see, I'm using quite a bit of force. If this slips, I'm going to be in trouble.
So at this point, I'd really like to ask if you're interested in the content, then just like and subscribe to the channel. That would be marvelous.
You see those little screws there? There's two of them that need to come out.
So I'm just kind of using a small screwdriver here and loosening out the screws before I try a mechanical.
They're usually really difficult to do because just once you have them out a little bit. This baby on him. If you don't get them out a little bit, then you will burr the heads. It's a nightmare. There we go. So. And then just underneath here, see if I can show you that. No. Yes. You see this nut here?
And I was really trying to get this off. So, I'll pop these two off. Nice and easy. It turned out.
Let's see if we can.
I was twisting the top. I basically went for the pipe cutters after that, which I'll show you in a second.
And then we got phase 2, which is when we can't get that off. And you think, you know, time happens with the essence and all that. And all I'm doing is twisting the tap. Get a towel underneath.
These particular pipe sizes, you just put them on the pipe and twist them. And they're really, really clever. So, if you're in a tight spot, you need to put a pipe. And these from Rothenberger, Bacho, they're one of the main brands.
Because it's easier. And see, before you cut a pipe, just make real sure that you've turned off the water.
So hey, if you're enjoying the video or the content that I make, you know, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want to subscribe to see more content of this nature going forward.
When you look down there, see there, and here, there's two screws. Those two need to come out before you can lift the pedestal.
Then hit the old subscribe button, because I reckon I'll be making content for quite a while.
What we do is cut that right around again. Then that comes off. So now we have a little bit of silicone on the back there, our two pipes which are isolated, and a waste pipe which goes to ground. Perfect. Now what I'll do is I'll prep the other piece, the new wash hand basin. I'll take off these two tails here off the isolation valve. Be a little bit of water there, so let's see how we do that.
And that's about it for this episode. I will catch you on the next one, which will be in a very short time. Thanks for watching.